Welcome to video number 5. What I'm going to look at now is the t-distribution, and specifically I'm going to look at TDist, t-distribution in Excel. Alright, in your bootcamp lesson notes for lesson number 4, the t-distribution, if you look on page 2, you will find the example I'm working through. You're told for a t-distribution with 65 degrees of freedom, find the probability of obtaining a t-statistic that lies outside the interval plus and minus 1. Well, how do we find that? Remember, I want plus and minus 1 as my t-values. I want the probability that's in both tails together. Now it turns out, where did I find these numbers? 0.321 and 0.160. I found them using t-distribution. And let me show you how to do that. So let's go to Excel, and I'm going to do the usual. If I'm starting here from home, I'm going to go to Formulas, f of x, Statistical, make sure Statistical's here, then scroll down to the t's, and find TDist, t-distribution. Returns the student t-distribution. Alright, let's click on that, hit OK. We get a little more complicated dialog box than we have with the normal distributions, because t-distribution has degrees of freedom, and this lets you either do one or two-tailed calculations. Alright, the way you do this one, we want to put area in both tails. So I'm going to do a two-tail t-distribution. We want a t that is plus and minus 1. And I put in the positive value. Only put in the positive value, do not put in the negative value. So put in the positive 1. Degrees of freedom, you're given in the example that it's 65 degrees of freedom. Check everything here. I want a t with positive 1, two tails, and 65 degrees of freedom. Hit OK. And what you'll get is a probability 0.3210. In other words, there's a 32.1% chance of getting this. Going back to the notes, there's a 32% chance of getting a value outside plus and minus 1 standard deviation, actually, from the mean of 0. Alright, 32% total. I split it up here in the diagram into 16 and 16%, but 32% chance total. Alright, that's how you do the t-distribution in Excel.